back to my channel. Today I'll be building this M1A2 Abrams main battle tank. Contains over 800 pieces, and this version is a different one than the one I built. This is an earlier version. It's from 2019 and the design is Cody Osell. The thing is that this was also, I built this tank before, and this is like 2 studs smaller than the 2022 model, which was done by Mary Wilson. You know the story about this tank and things like that from my other video. So I will sort out the pieces and do the build. So this is the finished build of the M1A2 Abrams from the 2019. So it's the side, here's the front, here's the other side, and here's the back. And of course, like usual, it comes with two antennas. And the turret does spin to 360 degrees. Okay. And I made this mount before, but this time I just have to put the Chevron stickers on. So the stickers right here in the front as well. And then if you look at this, right here it says Does Light. There's ice box in there, but 10 ice box. So that's a sticker element as well. And for the small objects, these three clip elements for that, which I think I like better that way. And so, and this thing could completely fit a second minifig in there. I'll show you how. First of all, I'll click the machine gun on this side. Going like this. And then like this, like that. Okay. Of course, the back of this, he didn't make it open. So, of course, on the new design, Mary Wilson said so you could open this up because that costs more pieces. And I'll think of modifying later. Also, it's a different wheel design over here. Of course, it doesn't come with the wheel active armor, but then right now, Brickmania is selling the wheel active armor for $35 per set. Of course, you will need maybe just 2 sets of these for this tank. It's less tiles than the new version of the M1A2 Abrams by Mary Wilson. So what else? Of course, on this side they use that trapezoid piece, but then on the newer version they use that triangle tile that is widely available in any color. Of course, the frontal design is a little different though. This is like a, if you've seen the new roll plates, this comes in mostly in dark bluish gray, but then they have this in tan for the roll plate piece right here, which is I like. Gives more the curvature. Of course, on the headlights is different. Usually, on the newer one is on the both are on the opposite side, but then Cody decided to design it this way, put one on the same side, so it looks different. And what else? Of course, the minifigs here is the US Tanker version 2, which if you can find in your local Brickmania store, right now they are sold online. I also have to grab this like maybe last year, a couple more of these, and then I kept it in stock. So what else? Of course, the cannon design is kind of same, with this pillar element and the technic connector, and with the 1x2 tile on top, and the coaxial machine gun, same design with using that technic element. Of course, they just came out with another Abrams, which is an Australian version, which uses all different color scheme, like maybe a different kind of green and stuff like that, and it's like more like camouflage to fit that environment in Australia. But then their 3D print capability got beyond middle, so like this right here is, so the newer one has the newer one has the the small bore part right here printed, and also the front of the barrel printed, which is that's how the actual Abrams looks in real life. So I'll leave a link in the description below of the both models and this model as well, and where you could also get the sticker and the link to the sticker page and the digital instruction page. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and and leave a comment below what you'd like to see next, and have a nice day.